Let's play Maniacball on the Amiga. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's play Maniacball, a multiplayer breakout game for the Amiga. Ooh. Let's put it to the real screen right now. I love this tune. So, what is Maniacball? Maniacball is a multiplayer breakout game for the Amiga. You have lots of bonuses. It's a little bit like Mega Ball, but it's a multiplayer game. I will show you how it's played in one player game. It's more difficult in one player than in two players because you have to control two pads at once. This game was released back in 1997 for the Amiga, and it was mind-blowing for myself when I heard this tune just pumping out from my speakers. This is quality, I will say, and yeah, this is the option, the menu for the game, and you have different options here. There's an option here. You can choose what to if you want to have music in the game, or yeah, you can't have both. That is a bad thing. You can also play this in high-res mode, and that is cool. And you can choose player, team, signal. You can choose what the player 1 and player 2 should play with, and both with can choose fast or slow. I think slow is enough for one player game like myself. I just want to warn you, this game is hard for one player. So if I fail, don't take it seriously. You will fail too. Maybe. You know. Let's start the game. This is the level 1. Author is Peter Elsner. Look at this game. I have, yeah. You can see on the video right now. Let's change it. I'm using this tank mouse with this game, and wish me luck. Yeah, there. Okay. So as you see, when you play one single player, you have full control over the pads. Yeah, I just want to show you the video, the camera again, because you can see you control both the horizontal and vertical pads at once. See? But if you are two player, it's easier because then one of the players controls the vertical ones and other player horizontal ones. So yeah, but let's have a blast. The sound effects are cool. Yeah. Okay. Oh. And this game supports also different screen modes and higher resolutions, which is cool. And I'm playing this on 060, and it's fun. Yeah, just be careful, especially when you start to get power-ups, which gives you higher speed, and multi-balls. Yeah, that one speeds up the pad. Oh, come on. You have to focus. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is a mix between breakout and poing. Okay. This is our brain workout for me. The explosions are like in Maniacball. So this game is pretty cool. And it's free on Amiga. It's fun to play. And it's nice to see that my grabber is actually taking this picture nicely now. No! Yeah, my trackball on the tank mouse is the best. I have to fix it someday. Okay, focus. Yes. Let's get that last blast of no multiplayer power up in this round. Oh. Yes. Okay. That was level 1. Level 2. And this time it's only 2 pads. So each level have different difficulties. That is what I like about it, and that is why I will say this game is a perfect party game. And Amiga parties play it and have fun. Yes, okay. That power up means that I will get 2 good balls. This increases the size, that helps a little bit. On the pad that is active. And if you notice the blue color on the pad, that means that the pad is the active one. And so it is when you play with someone else, that is also crucial for power-ups. And that icon means slower ball, but only lasts for a couple of seconds, and then it speeds up again. Wow. That is the largest pad you can get. Now we have 2 balls here. And when you have one mouse to control and one of the balls have speed ups now. This is interesting. Wow. I wonder how many balls can be can simultaneously be shown on the screen at once. Okay. This is getting hard now. 3 balls? Seriously? Why? No. I focused on other areas of the... No. Yeah. I wonder what you can do with the money. I haven't played this game for so long. Come on. Okay. And that icon will shrink it again. Okay. And and that car is making the ball faster again. But we exploded the power-up, so we can't get it. Okay. Wow. How many multi-balls we can get? 2. Now. I have to be very careful. Now we have 3 balls and 2 pads. 4 balls? No. Nah. Looks easy, but... And I try to focus on the pad, which is in breakout mode. Now we have 3 balls again. Come on! Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? I'm talking to the balls, but yes. Oh. And it forces me to okay. I actually only want to have 1 pad here, please. Oh. I wonder what sort of bonus you can get. Ah. Let's speed up this a little bit. Yeah. Oh. That was the player. Well, this is from 1997, Maniacball. And just listen to the music. Just listen to the music. As you see here, you can see all of the power-ups, what they are doing. You can get extra life, laser, you can shoot extra ball, etc. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and read about the party games on imitopia.com. Stay awesome and have an awesome day. Ciao, ciao.